So don't hate me for the blue LED, which is awful. Let's go to Mega Chippie channel. So we've got a Maxcom 4E here, works nicely, and it's coming with a blue LED, and I've no instructions to do anything about that, so that will stay. It's got the factory original mic, which is highly unusual because the inserts fail in the microphone. So we'll see how we're going. I will, as ever, I keep getting asked, as ever I will mention that we've got an Antron 99 aerials mounted just above gutter level on a single story building, and it doesn't have the optional ground plane kit, so it's very basic. That's the idea. That's broadside into an apex roof, which is tiled with concrete tiles. So across the road we've got woods, and so by the time Mr. Chippie gets to the petrol station, as he says he's passing the Ancaster petrol station, the signal's already passed through concrete tiled roof and several acres of woods. Tango 21 test.
Tango 21 working.
Excellent. I'll put my speaker in.
Seems very quiet.
Oh right, it's perhaps if I talked into it properly.
Yeah, that's better. Let me know when you're ready.
Oh yeah, Roger, I'm ready.
Right, we're now passing the house and recording.
Roger Dodger. No tone control on this one.
Yeah, roger that.
So on this set, when I key up, remember we set the meter to read 4 because it's doing 4 watts into a dummy load, and we're spot on the 4. It's actually banging across. Now the last set we did was that Amstrad. It was set up in exactly the same way, but that read 3 when you keyed up. It means nothing. It's still doing 4 watts, and so was the Amstrad.
Right, we'll come up to the end of the lane.
Roger got you at the end of the lane.
Roger.
We're now passing Ancaster service station 153.9 and 159.9.
Roger on that. Actually saw 148.9 on the way to Boston today.
Roger.
And at the Apple petrol station in Boston, I saw that 162.6 for petrol.
Very good. Right, we're now passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you going through the crossroads.
Roger. Passing the top of the hill to go down towards Bilsford. Over.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
Roger. Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear. Going around Scratchy Corner, Wilson.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear. Going around Scratchy Corner, Wilsford.
Roger, got you loud and clear. Going around Scratchy Corner, Wilson. I'm on a Maxcom 4E from 1982. It's in full forward output, and it's on the factory original microphone. Over.
Yep, roger that. All received.
Roger.
Crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Wilson, level crossing.
Roger. Passing the Kelby turn. Over. Just say that again, I got no audio from you there, or were you too far away from it?
I don't know, give it another go. 7123, got your Kelby turn.
Yeah, roger, that's fine. Passing the Kelby turn, not the Kelby turn, the Greyleys turn.
Roger, got you at the Greyleys turn.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, we're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point, so I'm on this Maxcom 4E, doing full forward output, going 970 milliamps, and we're going to go to low power, which I've set to the correct 400 milliwatts. Here we go, 54321, now we're on low power, going 400 milliamps, 400 milliwatts. Back to high power, there we are back to high power, over.
Yep, no problem, received well on both. Did you say anything then?
Yeah, roger, I don't mend mine, so off you go when you're ready.
Roger. Again.
Roger, got you on the way.
Roger. Chippie. Now going across Rossby level crossing. Over. Yes, 155.7 and I think it was 167.9 to the one. I'll check again on the way back.
Well, I'm sure it hasn't changed. I drove past there today, thought it was changed yesterday.
Yeah, roger that.
Okay, I'm going to do the test, thank you.
Roger that, 10-10.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, now going across Rossby level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going across Rossby level crossing. Do you have a petrol price for me at that end, please? Over.
Yes, 155.7 and 167.9 to the one. I'll check again on the way back.
Well, I'm sure it hasn't changed. I drove past there today and thought it had changed from yesterday. We didn't do one yesterday, but the day before.
Yeah, roger that.
Okay, that concludes the test, thank you.
Roger that, 10-10.
10-10. So what I will always say when we've got these factory original microphones, Mr. Chippie says, perhaps there's sometimes not audio, needs taking apart, and the contact spraying with Servicol switch cleaner is the only one we recommend. I'm not doing that. What we would recommend is to use a set with a brand new microphone. Keep this by all means, it's factory original, but use it with a new microphone. Before I let this set out, I'm going to check the deviation again with a standard replacement microphone. Right, so we're going to go over to our base station and see what it sounds like.
Tango 21 testing the Maxcom 4E with the factory original microphone.